Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce, your buddy Uncle Bruce, and the stock of the day has to be ATIP, ATI Physical Therapy. Wow, what a run on this stock. We have traded over 25 million shares already today. Well, actually, make that 26 million shares. We still have an hour and a half to go. We could well have 30 to 35 million shares trade today on this stock. What a run. We were in that 260, 70, 80 range just in the last little while. We have busted out now, hit a high today of $4.40, sitting right now at $3.92, $3.93 a share. Unbelievable. Take a look, though, where the stock has been lately, because we're nowhere near where we're going to. Take a look at like a 1 week chart, a 1 month chart, the last 3 months, the last 6 months. You'll see what I'm talking about here. This stock was hovering at $10 before the SPAC deal went through, before ATIP took over the SPAC. The shares got clobbered when they issued a lousy report back about 3-4 months ago. It didn't help that ATIP had to follow SEC rules and write off all kinds of value on their warrants. The SEC rules just knocked everybody for a loop. Absolutely devastating numbers. In any event, they did it. They did what they had to do. They also reported weaker numbers than thought because of the COVID, the variants holding patients back from their therapy centers because, again, couldn't travel and so on. Here's the good news. They are, hiring a whole bunch of new therapists and have been now for like 4 or 5 months. Their numbers are growing again, their patient counts. They have a backlog of business, I'm sure. They're dealing with all kinds of health providers to bring in new clientele. They're opening new centers all over the place. This company is going to increase its revenues dramatically in this next year. It's going to be quite good. The stock, however, we're not done until it gets back to $10 a share. That's when this stock recovers from its devastating drop off. Today, we found out that an analyst over at Barrington has told the street. This is Michael Petusky, Petusky from Barrington. He has maintained a hold rating on the stock with a target price of $6 a share, and he's talking about how the company's financials are improving, the revenues are improving. This tells me that these shares could be going significantly higher yet. Today is just a breakout, and I have a feeling that a whole bunch of short sellers have been caught with their pants down. 26 million shares of volume tells me a whole bunch of shorters got back out of this thing. They stopped shorting it because it's not going any lower than this $2.60 low trade that it's had lately. That's over. We're coming back, and don't be surprised if these shares reach the $5-6 mark in the near term and then build from there, because the next quarter financials coming out will likely show a strengthening of financials as far as cash flow goes, earnings goes, patient counts goes, more centers opening up. They seem to be opening up a new physical center every week. They're opening a new center every week right now. 950 expected by the end of the year. Don't be surprised if they continue to buy up other centers as they grow out. They are already the single largest physical therapy center operator in the States. They will become much, much larger. Anyway, there it is. That is the story on ATIP. What a blowout day today. Unbelievable. It's up 90 cents right now. Big day today and massive awareness today. This company has been discovered today by millions of investors who had never heard of it before. Most of you who watch me here all the time, you know all about ATIP. We've been talking about this company since January, February, but millions of people for the first time today heard about this company, will hear about it overnight, and they will hear about it now over the next few days and weeks, because I don't expect volume to go right back down to 500,000 shares a day. 26 million shares traded today. The stock is on fire. And it's going to go, I think, a bit higher yet. We'll see if it can infect Spire. Maybe that will be the next one, Spire Global, SPIR. Let's hope that one gets infected here shortly, because it, too, is at least one-third the price it should be at $5.29 a share. We'll talk about that one another day. Okay, guys, that's it from here. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now.